Hello there everybody, and welcome back to another beard tip video. Well, actually, now that I think about it, this one's more of a mustache tip video, because this one is all about the food. With the holidays approaching, it's going to bring a lot of food, and not just the holidays, but just in general. If you are a lover of food, and also a lover of having a big mustache, I can almost guarantee that you would like a little bit less mustache in each bite. I have a tiny grooming tip that it will not drastically change the shape or size of your mustache, but it will help you eat and with each bite have less stache. It's simple. Take a pair of scissors, find the center of your mustache, cut a little V right there at the bottom. Bring it out to the edge of your lips, right there. You just want to trim the bottom part of the mustache so that it's sitting right on the top of your lip. You don't want to take anything from the top or from the sides. This will leave you with the volume that you had before the trim, and you will still have your handlebar mustache. And you will have a lot less stache in each bite. I'm Jeremiah, and I will see you next time with another beard tip.